is up, YouTube? This is Stellar Toad, and today I have had 430 milligrams of caffeine. That's almost half a gram of caffeine. That's a lot of caffeine for a day. It's 30 milligrams over the FDA highest daily limit, and it's 130 milligrams over the FDA's allowance for a single product. I've had 3 Red Bulls and 1 cup of coffee, and I know that's bad. I normally don't drink Red Bull unless there's company or if it's a special day. I drink Red Bull. It's not like I drink Red Bull every day. Now, I normally do have 1 cup of coffee every day. I do that. Not every day. More like 3 days a week because it does interfere with ultraviolet breath work. I made a video about that, and it was labeled how caffeine affects the pineal gland's DMT production or something along those lines. Anyway, so today I'm going to be talking about how caffeine affects psychic abilities and energy perception. I'm just going to say psychic abilities in the title because that's easier to say. First of all, psychic is a stupid word because a bunch of charlatans stole it, okay? And that doesn't mean what it used to mean. It used to be something that you could use as a word instead of a automatic buzzword to draw in all the idiots and basically take away all your credit. So, or any credit that you did have. So, yeah, I've had a lot of caffeine today. A lot of people have more than that. Mostly the Red Bull is bad because of the sugar. How it has affected energy perception for me and psychic abilities is very positively. So, currently, right now, I can see the ether very clearly. It's obstructing my normal vision, okay? So, it's kind of like a plasma bulb before it. I can see etheric gaps, or etheric, what do they call it, arcs, coming out of the ground, like electricity. The static itself is like a thick liquid that moves when my hand, and also, tracers is another thing. The energy left behind by matter as it's moving through space, and how it dissipates into the ether and becomes part of it. So, yeah, energy perception. Caffeine has greatly increased it, even though it does not have any good effect on DMT production because it keeps your brain in beta state, and your pineal gland has a hard time producing DMT in beta state, as far as I know. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I know that it interrupts ultraviolet breath work, though. So yeah, energy perception definitely. Telepathy is another thing they call it. So I asked my mom to think of a number between 1 and 100, okay? And she thought of 3. So I said 3. I got it right. And the next one, she was thinking 2. But I figured 3, 2, that's too obvious. So I said 8. And so I got that one wrong. But I was going to say 2, but it just seemed too obvious. So it's affected telepathic abilities positively for me as well, okay? As far as like the feeling that caffeine provides, it does for me, actually for everybody, it provides a sublime state of mind because it triggers your brain to release happy chemicals, and the happy chemicals help you at least temporarily raise your vibration. And so when you raise your vibration, obviously that's gonna naturally put you in a more sublime state of mind. If you're already prone to being in a sublime state of mind. For some people, it won't do that. It'll just make them all energetic and jittery. So yeah, caffeine, in my own experience and experiments, does have a positive impact on psychic abilities and energy perception, and a negative impact on DMT production, or at least temporarily. I drink caffeine probably like 3 days a week, okay? Normally it's just coffee. Unless someone's coming over, then I don't really drink Red Bull, or if it's a special occasion. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Stellar Toad. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share if you liked it. Goodbye.